Are you? Welcome back. My name's Anna, and I did not record yesterday's LeetCode problem, which is number 20, and I wanted to share my solution. So the number problem that this was 735, the asteroid collision. My submission, it didn't quite hit the mark for a lot of things. I mean, for memory, it did really well, but for runtime, it was abysmal. So my solution isn't the best solution. And I'm going to try to go quick today because I have to record the one I did for today. And I also did not live code that one just because I have been traveling and trying to get things done as I can do it. So digressing, I wanted to go through this here. So I started here by initializing the index to traverse the asteroid list. And by the way, you can read this question on your own time. I'm just trying to get through it. So then I went for this while if else. So basically, if the current asteroid is moving left, which would be negative, and the previous asteroid is moving right, then that would be the positive. There might be a collision. And that's what this is here. And then we, down here with this decrement, we decremented the index for the previous asteroid. And then here, basically, if the asteroids were the same size, then both would explode, so they both get removed. And then here we decremented the index to check the previous asteroid again, essentially. And then if the right asteroid was larger, we moved the left asteroid. And then here we just decremented the index again to check the previous asteroid. So that was the entirety, basically. Oh, this was the no collision. This was to decrement, and this was the no collision to move, and then it would return this modified asteroid list. So that was my solution for yesterday's Juleetcode challenge in Python, and I will post the GitHub repo link in the comment. You guys are more than welcome to fork and clone, especially if you can make this better in any way so this at least gets over 50%. It'd be greatly appreciated, and I would love to learn from you all. But thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.